Hey, good day. I'm Kevin with the Learning and Teaching team. Let's go on inside the Technology Development Center where our offices are, and I'll talk to you a little bit about online learning and the Learning and Teaching team. For incoming faculty, the technology tool belt one is required to wear can be daunting. Previously in this course, you were shown a list of about a dozen different applications. The next set of chapters in this course will address the LMS itself. And whether you are hired to cover English 101 in a seated classroom or you're instructing graphic design fully online, we are here to help. Okay, our LMS was modeled after Moodle, but for copyright purposes, we will only refer to this version as My Courses. If you're teaching only in person, then you will at least need to log in and become familiar with the class gradebook and how to share your syllabus. But many instructors see value in using additional features even though they are teaching a seated class. So please touch base with your department head or your colleagues if you want to know some use cases that are common in your field. I'll put the direction links for gradebook and the syllabus right below this. If you are teaching fully online or partially online, your learning curve will be a bit steeper. But the sections ahead will introduce the concepts and our preferred methods in about 5-minute chunks. I recommend you go through these clips rapidly for orientation purposes, but that as you gain access to your classes and you've spoken to your department head, come back around to these and the 3 support demonstration courses below this video. There's a couple of demos on there and our LMS resource guide. Anyways, as you build out your classes, try to stay at least 1 week ahead. But don't feel that in the next several days you must develop the entire course. Your students will not be able to see the future week's activities, as we typically reveal them as they come to that given week. So you only have to work 1 week in advance if you're developing a course as you move forward. If you're completely in the weeds and you're concerned about being able to even cover your classes and the technical prep is freaking you out, please send the Learning Teaching team an SOS message as soon as possible. That's teaching@blueridge.edu, or you can reach out to me. Okay, while this section regards online tools and techniques, let me emphasize that we are a full-service teaching and learning team. Please know that we are here to help you sort out all the need-to-knows versus the nice-to-knows when it comes to your upcoming semester. With that said, I hope you have a great semester, and if you're needing to understand the LMS, go through these next sections rapidly, and then when you're developing your class, come back to those and the LMS resource guide, as well as the demo classes you see below. Thanks so much.